Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Canton network targets updates with my customer set. We will use the initiation accumulation pump model for this token to double check the levels. We're more than okay to accumulate again this token. I didn't analyze this token after listing, but how to work with initiation accumulation pump model, highly recommend you go and check free educational videos so you can do everything by yourself, because it's basically impossible to analyze all tokens. There's a lot of new listing every single week or even a day. So here, just a basic model. So we use a one daily candle close, and after that we dump to the first zone of interest. So this was the first zone of interest. Like you can see, the reaction: one take, second reaction, drop, accumulation, and go reject at minus 0.061 low by FIB. Now we try hold the line around the fixation profit zone. The problem with this token, of course, we're not talking about a fundamental background of this token. Everything can be like okay or not okay, but we can't know what exactly will affect the price up or down, market makers or some adoption or so, because you know, a lot of projects with a great fundamental, with a great use case, with a great utility, but you can open 90% of the brand new tokens which listed zone 22 zone 25, and how do they perform? So sometimes fundamental is not a main driver, you know, for the token. The problem personally for me can be the kind of big market capitalization in this current moment. So it's 5.33 billion already at 14 cents. The good moment, the same time, you know, all tokens in circular supply. It's really good one. So if this token will be in a top, now it's top 25, if this token will be in top 10, for example, it can reach the $1 price with 37 billion market capitalization. It's possible, yes, of course. Yes, of course, because the Shiba Inu, just random meme token, Dogecoin, reached 40 billion market capitalization. So why this token can't? Of course it can. And it's good because all tokens in circular supply, at least we will not see some crazy, stupid unlocks or vesting shadow, you know, for the venture funds. But yes, of course, the venture funds on a board. And these guys invested in these projects, guys, in zone 16, 17, 19, zone 20. So Samsung even invested. Who's Labs, previous Golden Sage. So I think that this token has great potential, you know. So correction. If we not hold the line here, guys, the next step is just the zones. 1, 2, 3, all levels. You can take a pause and mark the levels. The craziest dump, and honestly, I don't think so it will happen in the upcoming months. It's this block. So 4 cents 88, 4 cents 23. I repeat again, I don't think so it will happen, you know, because we're ready for a correction to the okay zone to buy, bounce it, and now try and hold the line here at fixation zone. So once again, based on this model, guys, if you bought it 1, 2 orders, your average entry could be like 6. At 12, you, based on this strategy, you need to withdraw initial deposit. And after that, leave the free tokens and right to the moon, right? Of course, technically, we will, definitely, I think we will hit the new all-time high. It's just a matter of time. And let's count in the gains, potential gains, if we're going to reach the $1 price, like 37 billion market capitalization. From now, it can be like 600%. From the zone of interest, this one, it can be like 1,500% gains. I don't think so we're going to reach the 2 billion, not a 2 billion, a $2, like, so it will be like over than 74 billion market capitalization to $2. So just work with realistic targets, because, for example, you can say 1,500 is not enough, but H bar in 2021 reaches just only 1,000% gains. So just approximately. So you understand the projection of bull run for the alts. So local zones where we can see, again, it's more likely we will see the 1181 and 973. So this like a block of support. This one can be like block and test of 50 EMA. If we reject at a monthly yearly open, for example, it can be the in the next upcoming days, and we go higher and keep building the uptrend structure on a daily. Once again, I don't think so. We will drop to this area in the near future. Once again, also, if we will see recapitulation, this zone of main support. And yes, we can form some like double bottom and go higher. So just in case, guys. Now, it's hard to say, is it okay to buy or not? For me, not. Because even if we go to $1, it's high risk, right? Because potentially we can drop locally even 32%. That's why if you're not sure, just better skip the token and wait better entry. If token not dumped to your entry, it's okay. You can't buy every single token. Let's double check, guys, with my custom record set. What's going on? Like conclusion based on the initiation accumulation pump model, definitely, guys, this token has potential for an upside move. But it's hard to say about fundamental. Is it going to be the real driver? Or the market makers will play with this token. Let's double check. ADZ direction. Highly recommend you use the dashboard, just a brand new indicator all in one place. So here, market smooth on one day, it's a trill zone. So be careful. Daily, why we can drop into correction? Because this is not an accumulation zone. Once again, based on ADZ, for example, what we can see? We can see the higher price target, and it can be something like this one. By, I don't know, March, for example, or April. And yes, it can be the divergence on a daily. So this is one take. If we go down now into correction, we will form the double bottom and drop to the accumulation zone. That's why, guys, time to buy on a daily was around December, beginning of December. Now it's time to fix some profit. So everything should be in time. That's why now when we are in distribution zone, for me personally, it's not a like time to hop in if you're not sure. If you not worry about a time, and if you 100% believe in this project, you know, if you like this project, of course you can accumulate. You can accumulate 14, for example, 7, 4, average entry will be like 8. At 16, you withdraw initial deposit. So you build a plan, right? For me personally, now it's not an entry. Not enough reason for the entry. Direction, no signals to sell. 12 time frame, no signals to sell or buy. So it's neutral. Market smooth. Here, it was a capitulation. So if you use just simple free model, initiation accumulation pump model, if you use that model, here was a capitulation. I highly recommend you just add alert and track the market mood. So this is a sentiment of the crowd. Now it's a trill, so it's a distribution. Let's add alert to at least some belief on the market's mood on the daily. So it's a blue color. Believe it's like this one. So maybe we'll reach this sentiment, right? Maybe not, but I add alert. Money power, guys, local one, 12 time frame, some money in was here, now nothing. Daily, we was at the top, but without any money outflow. It's positive moments, but I wish to see something like this one, money into this token, and keep the uptrend structure. So the levels, guys, we can't know where the price will stop, but we can build a plan for each level. What we can see on 4-hour time frame? Money outflow was 2 days ago. Now nothing. All right. And the last one, 2 indicators, guys. Trade on. It's 4-hour time frame, 12-hour time frame. Buy, accumulation, bounce. Buy, confirmation, take profit, sell, 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 buy back. Let's add alert, take profit on the daily. Take profit, it will be the signal to close all short position. So like it was here, buy, take profit, sell, 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 and now wait the take profit from sales. And take profit indicator, daily, not enough data. Let's hide the drawings. Not enough data because just a brand new token. So we rejected 12 time frame at exit line. Buy line for this token is 6 cents 91. I guess it's, yes, it's inside again the accumulation block. So also let's add alert. So guys, I recommend you not rush, and wait the beta entry, because if we will see the correction, it can be approximately 50% drop. I hope we will not see this drop, but the buy line is here. So just in case, 4 hour time frame, what we can see, it's a take profit line, 19 cents, buy line, it's 9. So you can add alert to the 4 hour time frame, wait the test, all lines are dynamic, right? Around 9 cents, or wait the 12 time frame buy line. So it's up to you, up to your own risk, right? Nobody will tell you the exact future what will happen next, but you can build a plan. So all targets I showed you, I'm more about this one, double bottom is going to be the best entries. If not, would be good to keep the uptrend structure, with a support around 9 and 8.4. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my custom set and add the same alerts, highly recommend you do this. Write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.